Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be doing some cooking. We're going to start with some biscuits. I got a pack of chicken and I'm going to cut it up and I'm going to, I got 16 pieces out of it. And we're going to make some biscuits. We're going to start with your oven at 425. I went ahead and cut my pieces up, and then I'm going to add me some buttermilk into the chicken so that it will get that good crust. Alright, we're going to do the easy method on the biscuits. I'm telling you, this is genius. So I take about quarter cup of lard or two, about an egg size. Put it in there. Make sure you grease your pan, set your oven, and then start your biscuits. I have my buttermilk soaking in the chicken. Alright. First of all, I always start by, I do it the easiest way I can. I try to take easy and fast shortcuts. But anyhow, we're going to crunch it all up there so it gets nice and crumbly. I can make them, roll them out by hand. I can do that, but it takes long and it's a lot messier, I think. Alright. So you kind of want it to look, crumbly. Make sure it gets all in the flour. Make sure you use white lily flour. It makes the best. Alright, so now we'll start adding our milk. Now this is something you have to do slow. I can't say it'll take a cup. I don't know. I got 2.5 cups of sifted flour. I'm going to pour this. Got about a quarter cup of lard, and then we're going to slowly mix this up. Everybody ready for the good weather? My husband and I are going fishing tomorrow. I'm going to try. We like to go catch some stock trout. Good eating. We'll cook some up right there. Catch one, wrap it in foil, clean it, of course, wrap it in foil. Put that baby on the fire. Oh, it's so good. I got some good recipes for the good fish fry. We'll be doing some of that stuff this summer. And some camping. Alright, now you want to put you some flour down. It really don't take that much. Okay, dump your dough. See it? It's nice and soft, mixed up good. Dump your dough. Alright. And I always just kind of work it good, work it. This is the way it works for me. You guys should not have a problem with doing these. It will make you'll be making buttermilk biscuits, and you won't have to roll them dang things out with your hand, Alright. Let's get a little more flour. I'm trying to get me some stands so I can take y'all all over the kitchen with me. And that's the thing I like about live, because I can turn my laptop and my other phone on and get different shots all at once. Okay. Y'all can't really see that. I don't like that. So let's back her on up a little bit. Okay. Now you see how that's got thicker? what I do is I flatten it out and make them thin, kind of thin and a little crispy on the bottom. Okay. Now, and this can is wonderful. It's perfect size every time. Put it on in your pan. Alright, we're going to keep turning them out. I've been trying to stop my videos so that I can finish the whole recipe, but every time I go to pause it, I don't know, I have to get my husband to look at it. Alright, so you're going to take all your biscuits, roll them out. Now I take a little bit of buttermilk. I dip my fingers in it, and I pat them nice and smooth, you see. That's how they get those smooth biscuits. So you make sure you pat them all out. Alright, I'm going to try to pause it again. If this doesn't work, I'll have to post this in 2 videos. Okay? We're going to try to pause it. I'll be back. Alright, so there we go. See how they look when you pat them? Now I'm going to put them in the oven on 425 for about 16 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, so we have our biscuits ready. Now I'm going to brush the top of them. I use the real butter because we make our own. And I did put an easy Amish recipe up in my videos. I'm going to do another one soon. Alright, so you want to brush them all up. I always brush the top of my biscuits with butter. It just makes them prettier. But it also just gives them that good buttery taste. That's what my family says in Michigan. They'll say, "Oh, them good buttery biscuits." And that makes me feel so good. Alright, that's it. So you just butter them all up really good. Cook your chicken. And I'm going to put a piece of chicken in each biscuit. And then I'm going to wrap the biscuit in some paper, parchment paper. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Alright, until next time. Peace.